Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Konami. So for today's video, we're going to do a pick a card reading. This is a general reading. If it doesn't resonate, please do not take the message. Oh, by the way, ang topic po natin ngayon is kung may pinaplano ba siya sa'yo. So think of a person and let's see kung may pinaplano ba siya sa'yo. I don't know, date, or maybe he wants to have coffee with you, go ice skating with you, I don't know, zip line, invite you out, invite you to a gathering, or ligawan ka, or maybe may pinaplano siyang ikwento sa'yo about someone. Whatever it is, let's see. If the first card is, or most of the cards are upright, it's a yes. If most of the cards are reversed, it's a no. Okay? For paid personal readings, just check the description box. Ilalagay ko dun kung saan nyo ako pwedeng kontakin in order to have a paid personal reading. Okay? So, choose this one, and this one. May plano ba siya sa'yo? Okay? Pause if you need time. Okay. So here. May plano ba siya sa'yo? Let's see. Yes, meron. At ang plano niya sa'yo is to actually parang point out na the only way you can have a very comfortable life is to be with him or her. So, Page of Wands, there must be some sort of an argument between the both of you. Tapos, maybe siya yung source ng tulong mo every time you're you're problematic or mayroong something na mahirap sa situation mo. Parang may yabang akong nasisense na parang kinaya mo nung wala ako, parang ganun. Very egotistic na parang balita ko nahihirapan ka, nagkakanda o gaga ka. Yan kasi ba't mo pa ako inaway? Parang ganun. Na parang feel niya you can only manifest good things if you're with him or her. Parang tutulong naman talaga siya. Sincere naman talaga yung pagtulong niya sa'yo. Pero yung feeling niya na hindi ka makakapag-manifest ng anything hanggat wala ako, yun yung negative. So parang kung magpapakita to, expect na magpapakita to pagka hirap ka. Tapos doon niya ipapamukha sa'yo, see, hindi mo kaya, wala kasi ako. Parang ganun. If only hindi mo ko iniwan or hindi mo ko inaway or hindi ka nakipag-disconnect sa akin, hindi ka magkakaganyan. Parang ganun. So, let's see, what do you need to do about this? 10 of Cups. Parang there's no need for another argument or another fight. Pero there's no need to accept this person back. Especially, kahit na sincere yung pagtulong niya, pero yung pag-underestimate niya sa kakayanan mo, sa ability mo to learn, to manage on your own, yun yung nakakainis. Bottom of the deck is 7 of Cups. This person will be confused. Bakit? Bumalik na nga ako para tulungan ka. So, anong pinuputok ng butche mo? Bakit hindi ako accepted pa rin? And the reason behind that is your pride. Kasi nga, in-underestimate ka niya. Na kung wala siya, wala ka rin. So, wala kang sariling skills, wala kang sariling talent. Parang yun? Source of income mo siya, source of power mo siya. Ano siya? Diyos. Diba? May yabang akong nasisense. So, you will need to actually put this person in his or her place. And ang mas maganda nito is to actually find someone else who will build with you without having to confront you with what they gave you. Parang build on your own and then find someone who built their own empire by themselves din. Hindi yung kasi parang codependent kayo eh. Pag may problema siya, nandiyan ka. Pag may problema ka, nandiyan siya. Mas lamang nga lang siya nang naitutulong sa'yo. So build with someone who actually sees your worth and will not underestimate yung yung potential mo. Okay? So there. That's for you, number 1. Let's proceed kay number 2. May balak ba siya sa'yo? So it's a no, it's a yes, and it's wala. Although meron at first, pero very guarded yung energy mo. Parang kung ano yung usual niyang diskarte, aminado siyang hindi tatalab sa'yo. Strength in reverse, parang pagdating sa'yo, feel niya mahina siya, wala siyang binatbat. You stand your ground. Kung manliligaw to, siguro yung way niya ng pambobola, aminado siyang hindi ka makukuha sa ganun. Kung to, let's say for example, business or investment invitation to, alam niya na yung standards mo hindi niya abot. So, parang may admiration, pero at the same time, hindi ko kaya yan, move on na ako. Parang ganun. Medyo nai-intimidate siya sa'yo. Now, what do you need to do about this? 8 of Wands reversed. Kung wala namang sinasabi, wala namang ine-express, wala namang kino-communicate na intentions or whatsoever, you're not obligated to do anything. And maybe, let's see, bottom of the deck, 7 of Pentacles reversed. If alam mo rin naman kung paano niya i-handle yung situation niya, and you think it's not part to your standards, then move on. There's nothing here. Especially na hindi rin siya willing mag-effort to actually meet your standards din. So yun, hanggang tingin na lang siya from afar, doon lang siya sa far away. That's sad. Okay, that's for you, number 2. Let's proceed kay number 3. May balak ba siya na anything towards you? It's a yes, it's a no, it's a no. Hindi. Kasi parang meron kang decision na parang may decision kang na-finalize regarding your situation na parang while pursuing that decision na very freeing of any toxicity. Let's say for example, tawag nito. Tapos parang because of this decision, yun yung magiging reason na magiging stuck siya. Chariot is, yung iba chariot, pag nakakita ng chariot, forward movement na yan. Pero if you're going to analyze the picture, paano siya, paano siya mag-move forward dyan? May nakaharang na estatwa ng Sphinx. Tapos yung isang kamay niya nasa wands, wala sa manibela. So parang stagnant na energy tong chariot na to sa akin. So in this case, ang scenario na naiisip ko, let's say for example, nakapag-decide ka, magmamigrate ka, mag-aaral ka abroad or magtatrabaho ka abroad, or maybe magmamigrate ka, may relatives ka abroad, ganyan. Tapos siya, aminado siyang wala siyang planong pumunta anywhere. Parang gusto niya magbe-build lang siya ng future niya, magse-settle siya kung asan man kayo ngayon. Parang ganun. Let's say, nasa iisang barangay lang kayo. Parang aminado siya na if magmamigrate ka, mag-a-abroad ka, hindi niya maiiwan yung property niya, yung bahay niya, yung negosyo niya. Parang needed siya dito, parang ganun. So, gusto niya, yes, pero stagnant yung kagustuhan na yun kasi aminado siya na meron kang decision na hindi swak dun sa gusto niya for himself or herself. Kaya, hindi na lang. It's a no na lang. Okay? Now, what do you need to do about this? Example scenario lang po yun ha. Pwede rin na, let's say for example, best friend mo to. May binabalak ba siya sa'yo? Tapos nakapag-decide ka na hindi mo na ito tolerate yung toxic na behavior niya. Hindi niya naman ma-let go yung ugali niyang yun. Kasi yun nga, ugali niya na yun eh. So parang if you're going to let go of the friendship, parang aminado siya na hanggang dyan lang. Hindi ka niya mafo-force. Now, what do you need to do about this? Queen of Wands reversed. Try your best na huwag baguhin yung decision mo, especially if you're comfortable with this decision. Tapos parang kung ma-atras ka sa decision na to, because of this person, not a good idea. Kasi parang puputok ng butchi mo yun na hindi mo tinuloy eh. Parang one day you're going to regret it na hindi mo tinuloy. So ituloy mo na lang. Bottom of the deck, King of Wands. You're meant to progress. You're meant to flourish by doing this decision. Parang this time, try to decide based on how you want your life to be, not based on how people are going to be comfortable with that decision. Alam mo yun? Yung parang mag-decide ka based on anong na-assess mo sa situation mo, anong gusto mo makamit. Hindi yung magde-decide ka because yung kasi yung swak sa amin, o yung kasi yung gusto niya, yung kasi yung magiging peaceful lang lahat. No. Decide based on what you want to happen with your own life. Total. Pag nagka-leche-leche ka, at least pagka sarili mong decision yung sinunod mo, aminado ka man na mali ka. Kung ibang tao sinunod mo tas nagkamali, a lot of those people will not apologize. A lot of those people will even blame you for choosing to follow their decision. So might as well follow your own guts. Okay? So that's all I'm seeing here. Any clarifications, or if you would like to have a paid personal reading with me, check the description box. That'll be all. Bye!